Step 1, scrape in both directions. An extra tip, make sure you have your angle about like so. Don't go too far down or too far up. If you have it too far up, it's going to scrape into your base coat. So the angle is very essential.
For you, on top of it goes MarbleWRAP or even FLEX. It's a revolutionary thing. Let it down, let your eardrums ring.
Sanding your floor should only take about 5 minutes. I scraped this one way, scraped this the other way, maybe 3 minutes on each scrape. Total of maybe 10 minutes tops. If you have 2 guys, it should be knocked out in 5 minutes. After you get done scraping in both directions, I want you to whip out a sander. This sander came off of Amazon for $200, super simple to use. Check it out.
Put it down, spread so nice. Spread it down like butter with a knife. Yeah, like hammers, chasing a little rabbit in that hole. It's the rap show.
Now that we sanded the entire floor, it's time to clean up all of our flakes. And that's super simple. You're gonna take your blower and blow them all into one corner.
Change the game. Meet me at WOC.
After you're done blowing them into the corners, grab you an empty box, a broom, and clean it all up. Make sure to label it, what color it is, and if it's leftovers. So that way, if you use it, you know that there's gonna be smaller particles in it. So you'll have 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, all in between, and even less than 1/8 inch in there. So it'll make a cool floor if people are looking for that. So this will be kind of like a hybrid mix. Make sure there's no dirt, debris in it. If there is, clean it, sift it, and do whatever you need to do, or just toss it.
Weird and stuff. It's about to do things you never seen to change. Scrape it in your chain.
Not only for flakes, but also for metallics, high wear finishes, neat coats. We also are developing catalysts for it so that you can put it in type of facilities that have forklift traffic where they can get back on it in a flash. So if you want something revolutionary that's stronger than polyaspartic, stronger than polyurea, and definitely stronger than epoxy, this is the one, NeoFLEX. Check it out. NeoFLEX comes in an easy 1 gallon unit. All you're gonna need is an 18-inch roller, an edge roller, some spikes, and your NeoFLEX. 1 gallon will do about 200 square foot. Watch.
Here to change the game. Come join the MarbleWRAP game. Meet us at WOC in every station. We're the designers, designing new products for an industry that needs change. Yeah, what's up, y'all? We about to put 450 square foot down using NeoFLEX, the next revolutionary product to hit the market. Neo, the 100. Neo, it's the one chosen for you. On top of it goes MarbleWRAP or even FLEX. It's a revolutionary thing. Let it down, let your eardrums ring as you listen to me speak. I put it in the cooker, make it cooker, make it preach. Yeah, we cook and we bake. Things that are done stay for day. No odor for your family. Gonna keep you safe.
Laid it out one way, now you'll switch and roll it back the other way.
Gonna change all your life. Put it down, spread so nice. Spread it down like butter with a knife. Yeah, like hammers, chasing a little rabbit in that hole. It's the rap show. It's the rap show. Yeah. Change, take over and change.
And that's it. Usually on these type of floors, I do take my tape off on the second day, only because I like to clean up more, vacuum more, and pull that off, and then vacuum again behind it. So I do leave the tape up. Some people don't like to do that. It's one thing I do like to do, because we're always coming back on the second day to move people's stuff back into the garage, make sure everything's straight, make sure we didn't miss any spots. Yes, it's a 1-day flake floor, but we're still there for 2 days, because 1 day is not enough. Now let's take a look. You can see how thick it goes down, but we only put 2 gallons on this garage. This stuff has a beautiful viscosity. It allows you to apply it thick and has a long working time. It allows you to take your time and knock out beautiful floors like this. No roller lines. Easy to work with. NeoFLEX is a revolutionary product for flake floors and everything else. Stay tuned, because we got more products coming to the industry that's gonna change the game. That's what we do best. Keep rapping, boys and girls. Later.
It's okay, chain break the chain. MarbleWRAP's here to change the game.